We used to think the cosmos was an orderly machine we had almost fully decoded. But data from the James Webb and Hubble telescopes and the Voyager missions tell a different story. Today, we are breaking down 20 anomalies that have official coordinates, but zero logical explanation. These are facts science prefers to call measurement errors, but the numbers don't lie. Fact 1. Observatories have detected a gravitational anomaly called the Great Attractor. An object with the mass of tens of thousands of our galaxies is pulling everything around it at 600 kilometers per second. Theory. This isn't just a mass cluster, it's the drain of our universe, a point where matter flows before transitioning into a completely different dimension. Fact 2. The WMAP satellite discovered the so-called cold spot in the cosmic microwave background. This is an area nearly 2 billion light-years wide where the temperature is significantly lower than its surroundings. Theory. This is a bruise from our universe colliding with another parallel bubble universe. Fact 3. The Kepler telescope recorded the strange behavior of Tabby's star. Its brightness drops in chaotic bursts by 22%, which cannot be explained by planets or dust. Theory. We are observing the construction of a Dyson sphere, a giant megastructure built by an alien civilization to harvest the star's energy. Fact 4. The Big Ear radio telescope captured the famous WOW signal. It lasted 72 seconds and arrived on the hydrogen frequency, which is considered the universal language of the cosmos. Theory. This was a targeted beacon from another civilization aimed directly at us. Fact 5. The Pan-STARRS telescope discovered the interstellar object Oumuamua. After passing the Sun, it accelerated with no signs of ice evaporation. Theory. This is an artificial object, likely a discarded scout probe, or a light sail from a foreign ship. Fact 6. The Planck mission confirmed the existence of the axis of evil. Universal anomalies are somehow aligned with the axis of our solar system and Earth's equator. Theory. We live in the center of a programmed simulation, where the entire cosmos literally renders around the observer. Fact 7. The Vasco project, comparing 1950s archives with modern data, revealed the disappearance of 100 stars. They simply evaporated without a trace. Theory. The stars were instantly switched off or enclosed in energy shields by super-civilizations. Fact 8. The Arecibo Observatory recorded fast radio bursts from deep space. A single flash releases energy in a millisecond equal to the Sun's entire yearly output. Theory. These are the signatures of quantum radars used by super-civilizations for galactic navigation at ultra-high speeds. Fact 9. Mathematicians from Caltech proved the existence of Planet 9. An object 10 times the mass of Earth is warping orbits at the edge of our system, but we can't see it. Theory. It's not a planet, but a primordial black hole the size of a grapefruit, captured by the Sun's gravity. Fact 10. The Kitt Peak National Observatory discovered a giant void, the Boötes Void. In a sector 330 million light-years across, there are almost no galaxies. Theory. This is a zone of total expansion by a Type 3 civilization. They have consumed the light of every star in this sector for their own needs. Fact 11. The Supernova Cosmology Project proved that dark energy is making the universe expand with acceleration. Theory. This is external pressure. Our universe is literally being stretched by other objects in a multidimensional space. Fact 12. Voyager 1 captured a perfectly hexagonal vortex on Saturn, the Hexagon. It has maintained its geometric shape for decades. Theory. The planet's internal structure has an artificial stabilizer core that shapes the clouds into standing waves. Fact 13. Scientists recorded a magnetar flare that for a fraction of a second was brighter than all the stars in the Milky Way combined. Its magnetic field tears matter into atoms. Theory. These are the universe's natural hard drives, where information is encoded in ultra-powerful magnetic fields. Fact 14. Astronomer Carl Sagan formulated a paradox. 4 billion years ago, the Sun shone 30% fainter, but Earth was not a ball of ice. Theory. Our planet was artificially terraformed in its early stages to retain heat until the Sun gained power. Fact 15. The University of Central Lancashire discovered a giant arc of galaxies over 3 billion light-years long. This violates the law of uniform matter distribution. Theory. This is the framework of the universe, an artificial structure that matter was threaded onto during the creation of the world. Fact 16. Physicists noticed the ultra-precise fine-tuning of nuclear reactions in stars. A change in constants by even 0.5% would make the formation of carbon impossible. Theory. We live in a simulation where the parameters of physics were tweaked by a programmer to allow life to emerge. Fact 17. The Hubble telescope captured the galaxy NGC1052-DF2, which has almost no dark matter. According to physics, it should have fallen apart, yet it exists. Theory. This proves that the laws of gravity are not universal and can be artificially changed in separate sectors of space. Fact 18. The WMAP satellite discovered the Planck flow, thousands of galaxies moving in one direction at a speed of 1,000 kilometers per second for no apparent reason. Theory. We are literally being sucked into another universe through a rift in the fabric of our space. Fact 19. The SDSS project recorded that distant quasars synchronously change their brightness across distances of billions of light-years from each other. Theory. This is a giant data transmission network, a cosmic internet connecting different nodes of the universe. Fact 20. Wheeler's delayed choice experiment confirmed. A quantum particle chooses its path in the past only after we look at it today. Theory. The universe emerged billions of years ago only because we are observing it now. We are the creators of our own past. Conclusion. We look for answers in telescopes, but perhaps the answer is within ourselves. If the universe is filled with anomalies, it's not a failure of science. It's a reminder. We are but guests in a massive project whose rules we have yet to learn. Which of these facts shocked you the most? Write in the comments. The truth is much stranger than we could have imagined. Subscribe to the channel for more facts and leave a like.